Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a little bird who couldn't fly. All of the other birds in his family could fly really well, but he just couldn't get off the ground. He tried and he tried, but no matter how hard he flapped his wings, he just fell back down to the ground. Every time he tried to fly, his mom would say, "Oh, my little bird, you're not flying very high. You need to flap your wings harder." But he tried so hard that his wings got all droopy and tired. And then his mom would say, "Oh, my little bird, your wings are all droopy now. You need to rest before you can try again." So he would sit on the branch and watch all of the other birds flying around having fun. One day, he was watching a big flock of geese flying in a V formation. They looked like they were flying so effortlessly, just gliding through the air. And he thought to himself, "I want to fly like that too. I wish I had a friend to help me fly." Just then, one of the geese flew right up to him and landed on the same branch. "Hello," said the goose. "Why don't you fly with us?" The little bird explained to the goose how much he wanted to fly, but he just couldn't. The goose listened patiently, and then he asked the little bird if he could show him something. The little bird said, "Of course," and followed the goose. When he flew over to the edge of the branch and looked down at the ground, the little bird noticed that there was a really cool rock right under where they were sitting. It was a flat, smooth rock, kind of shaped like a surfboard. And the goose said, "You know what? I think that rock would be perfect for you. If you can't fly, you should just slide down that rock. It'll be just like flying." The little bird thought this was a great idea. So he took a running leap off of the branch and onto the rock. At first, he was kind of scared, but then he started to relax and enjoy the feeling of the wind rushing past him as he slid down the rock. It felt just like flying. The little bird slid down the rock all day, and he had so much fun. He slid and he slid until the sun began to set. Then he went home to his nest and he told his mom all about the rock and how much fun he had sliding down it. His mom was so happy to hear that he had such a great day. She said, "You know, my little bird, you may not be able to fly like the other birds, but that doesn't mean you can't have just as much fun." The little bird thought about this and realized that his mom was right. From that day on, instead of trying to fly, the little bird spent his days looking for new rocks to slide down. He found rocks in all shapes and sizes, and he loved to spend his days sliding down them. He even made some new friends along the way, like Sammy the squirrel and Dizzy the turtle. One day, the little bird was sliding down one of his favorite rocks when he heard a loud crash in the forest. He slid to the bottom of the rock and saw that one of his branches had fallen off in the windstorm. And when he looked up, he couldn't believe what he saw. All of the other birds were trapped in the tree and they couldn't fly away, because their wings were too droopy from all of the flapping they had been doing. The little bird knew that he had to do something to help his friends, but he wasn't sure what to do. Then he remembered the rock that the goose had shown him. If the birds could just get to the rock, then they could slide down it and away from the tree. But how could he get them there? Then he had an idea. He flew as fast as he could to tell all of the other birds about the rock. When they heard about it, all of the birds started flapping their wings as hard as they could to get themselves closer to the rock. And one by one, they were able to slide down the rock and away from the tree. The little bird was so happy to help his friends. And from that day on, all of the birds in the forest knew that even though the little bird couldn't fly, he was one of the bravest and most helpful birds around.